friends, Running Kimono here, your preview for Walgreens for the week of the 9th to the 15th of August. First thing, on Wednesday, we got a bunch of these boosters. A lot of them are just regular schmegular ones that we see. We have a 5-back when you buy 3 P&G Dental Care, a 4-back when you buy 4 P&G deodorants like Secret or Old Spice. This is back, and if Tide and Gain is in fact included with the 15-back when you spend $45, that has wings. Word to the wise, load all of your digital coupons right now, because if we're going to face this nonsense where you can't load your coupons on Sunday, just load them right now. But this potentially could be something. If it's not just skincare, if it's also detergent, that 15-back when you spend $45 will be magic. I think they probably looked at the numbers and nobody did the deal, so they're just extending it for another week. My prediction, but again, this is a preview, so that's allowed. This deal is done and dusted, meaning it's no longer happening at the store, where you pick up one 20-ounce Sprite and then a bag of these Takis for $5.29. Pay for your Sprite and get the Takis for free. I think it was the single serve bags and not these family size bags, or the 9-ounce or almost 9.9-ounce bags. It was probably for the smaller ones, but they've removed the promotion. If your store is still in fact tagged, I know here in Michigan, they will have to give you the bag for free if it's tagged. If it's not tagged, sorry, Charlie, it is just not working anymore. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, August the 9th in the morning. And again, last week we had problems with digital coupons not loading, blah, blah, blah. This was happening across the board at Dollar General, CVS, and Walgreens. But load all your coupons so you can participate in these deals. And if I could ask a huge favor, if you could please like or hype this video, I would be so, so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video. Right into the deals. The first is for the $8 Dove body wash with a $5 reward when you buy 2, and we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of these for $16. My personal favorite is that sensitive one. They don't keep a huge stock of those in store, but 2 of them at $8 a pop is $16. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $12. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $7 for 2 or $3.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. When you get to the store, listen. Are the register rewards printing? Or ask the cashier, like, hey, is that machine working today? And if they've been standing by the machine all morning, they probably know, yes, it's printing, or no, it's not. You need your register rewards to print in store to make these deals happen. This next deal comes with a little bit of speculation, because see how it says 3 off of 2 online coupon? That's a sales price right there at $3.49. So I'm assuming they're going to give us a 3 off of 2 store and a 3 off of 2 manufacturer. 2 of the smaller LVs for $10.98, subtracting $6 of coupons. If that happens, will be $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per. We haven't had a really cheap L'Oreal LV shampoo deal in weeks, so I'm thinking this might be it. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but we're going to have to double, triple check the digital coupons on Sunday morning. Currently, we have a 3 off of 2 store, but will we get the manufacturer? If we do, that will be magic, because that shampoo is magic. We have a buy one, get one 50% off on the Scott's paper products with a 2 off of 2 digital coupon, which is typically the manufacturer. So grabbing, say, 2 of the Scott's toilet papers, buy one, get one 50% off, because they're $5 per. So the second one at $2.50 is $7.50. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per bag. This is a stock up price. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if we're doing the deal with no booster. And check if this is toilet paper only, or is it both toilet paper and paper towel. You can maybe double the deal if we get 2 off of 2 coupons, but you're going to really have to pay attention come Sunday morning on that deal. Okay, so the brick deodorants, which are not the sprays, are in fact part of this on a buy one, get one 50% off at $7.49 a unit. $3 reward when you buy 2 with a 7 off of 2 digital coupon. 2 of those bricks on a buy one, get one 50% off is $11.23. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $4.23. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1.23 for the 2 or 61 cents per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but what an absolute terrific deal, 61 cents. This is unheard of. Deodorant is so expensive. If you could track down 2 of those stick or brick deodorants, by all means, make this one happen. Another deal that I absolutely love is the $6.49 Brawny paper towel with the $5 reward when you buy 2. Currently, we have $1 off for this, but these are massive rolls, so this is worth doing. 2 of these will be $12.98. Subtracting the coupon, you're going to pay $11.98. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Have the Schick razors on a buy one get one 50% off. These are the nicers. They're not the disposables, with a $3 reward when you buy 2. If we have $3 digitals off of both, grabbing 2 of them on a BOGO 50% off, that's $16.48. Again, if we have a $3 off the men's and the women's, that's $6 coming off. We're going to have to double, triple check that on Sunday. You're going to pay $10.48. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $7.48 for the 2 or $3.74 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The next deal that we're looking at, another razor deal. It is with the Gillette and Venus. Again, you're grabbing one for $9.99 and one for $12.99. We have $3 digitals off of each with an $8 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these, so one of the men and one of the women's, that's $22.98. Subtracting $6 in digitals, and hopefully they're still attaching, you'll pay $16.98. Get back an $8 register reward, making it $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. These are fancier razors. I would definitely stock up. Now, the next 3 deals are from the week previous. If you didn't use your digital coupons and you want to throw this into a basket, by all means, make it happen. The first is with the soft soap, a $2 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $11.98. The soap refills are part of it. Subtracting the $3.50 off of 2, you'll pay $8.48 for the 2. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $6.48 for the 2 or $3.24 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad price point considering on a non-sales week. I think these are closer to like $6 or $7, like $6.99 for one. The next deal that I absolutely love is on the Colgate at $5 with a $5 reward when you buy 2 with the 4 off the 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of these, I would probably go for the mouth rinses. We haven't done that in a while. So 2 of them will be $10. Subtracting the 4 off the 2 digital, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The Listerine, it is specifically the one that is on the go that is $3 for this deal. And if you want them for $1 each, by all means, make it happen. It is the smaller count. It's not these 15 counters, but this is the visual of what it looks like. It's just a little tube of mouth rinse, so you have it literally on the go. It's liquid mouthwash. So 2 of these at $3 a pop is $6. You're going to get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Guys, before I take off here, we're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to these Glade sprays for $1.59. If you're a newer couponer and you're trying to build your air care, this is not a bad price point, and Glade is a very good product. We also have the Gain dish soaps. This is also a P&G company, part of Dawn. $1.99. You're basically getting Dawn for $1.99, let's be honest. Buy 2, get 2 for free on the Sprite Coca-Cola products if you are having a summer cookout and you want to stock up. Very good price point when they do buy 2, get 2 for free. And 2 for $6 on these General Mills cereals. I know a lot of us have been finding Peelies at various stores. It would make it 2 for $4 if you have 2 of the Peely coupons. And a buy 1, get 2 for free on the Walgreens food storage bags, making it 93 cents per box of 20. That is definitely a stock up price with school right around the corner. That's it for this video. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.